Are we ready? Are we ready? Hi guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to film this video because I know this is one of your favourite videos that I film. I'm going to be doing a bikini haul today. If you have been here for a long time, you know that bikinis and swimwear is kind of a weakness of mine. I didn't start wearing bikinis until I was about 17 or 18 because I couldn't quite bring myself to do it. I was way too insecure about my body. I didn't feel comfortable in them. So now I invest and I love to buy nice, beautiful swimwear that makes me feel good and supported and comfortable. And I just like to share with you guys the bikinis that I love and that hopefully you will love as well. I've also got a few little holiday pieces like dresses and stuff like that that I'm going to show you at the end because I just got back from Benidorm and I got back 2 days ago. So if you want to see all of these pieces kind of being worn, the vlog is coming later on this week. I'm doing a what I wore and did in Benidorm video, so that's coming very soon. But I thought I would just pick out my key pieces and haul them for you and talk you through why I love them. So without further ado, let's go on with the bikinis. Oh, everything is linked down below as well in chronological order, and make sure if you enjoy these videos to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you join our little online family. Let's get cracking. Okay, I have to start with this bikini because I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I was browsing on And Other Stories the other day. Now, if you know me at all, you know that I've got a little teensy tiny obsession with rainbow stripes. I mean, it's subtle, like I never talk about it. So when I went on And Other Stories and I saw this bikini, I mean, I nearly died, didn't I? Look at these colours! Oh my gosh. These are the bottoms, obviously. This is a high-waisted, tick, cheeky, it's got a little bit of bum, vertical, rainbow striped bikini. So these are the bottoms. They aren't particularly skimpy, but they do have a little bit of cheek to them. So if you like quite a bit of coverage, it can give you that, but it makes your bum look good. A little bit of peach just at the bottom, a little bit of lift, you know. They're really high-waisted. These are unbelievably flattering. These really accentuate your curves, obviously because it's vertical. It helps to elongate and slim your waist, and I felt amazing in these bottoms. And then here is the top. Now, I got this in a size large. I think it was a size large, in a size 42, and this is horizontal. I love how the bottoms are vertical and the bottoms and the top is horizontal. I just like that detail. I like that it makes it a little bit different, and I love that the inner lining is bright yellow. It's just such a happy colour, happy bikini. I felt so good in this and I thought it was perfect for summer. And I love, again, you know how I love variations of thicknesses with the bikini. I love that it's got a red and pink panel here. I just love this. My boobs were very much secure in it, but if my boobs are any bigger I would be falling out of this. So I'm not sure how many sizes there are bigger than a 42 on the site. I don't think there's many. I feel like this might have been the biggest size. So for reference, the 34 double F to G depending on where I'm shopping. So you might want to try this on and see how it fits you. But the bottoms fit me like a glove and I'm absolutely in love with this bikini. Oh my god, it's linked down below. Go and get it now. Because I loved the rainbow one so much, I actually also picked up the same bikini but in a cream with black polka dots. Again, this is from And Other Stories. I absolutely love this. Exactly the same shape, a lovely cream shade. It's more of just like an off-white. I feel like a little 50s pin-up in this, which is a look that I very much enjoy. I love a high-waisted, and these are exactly the same. Really flattering, makes your bum look amazing. These bottoms really do make your bum look good. I often find that high-waisted bikinis, unless it's a high rise up the leg, it can make your bum look a little bit like a nappy, but this does not do that at all. It's just enough bum. Gives you a nice bit of support, a nice bit of cleavage, but it's nothing too much. This is a good one for like running around on the beach or something because you don't have to worry too much about your lady jugs, you know? Okay, this next one's actually a swimsuit, and I've not worn a swimsuit in years. It looks like a bikini, so it is a cutout swimsuit. like this. It's black with white polka dots. Again, excuse me, I feel like a pin-up star when I wear this. I feel amazing in it. The opening is right on the most flattering part of my stomach. It sucks you in, and my biggest insecurity when it comes to wearing bikinis is actually my back. I don't particularly like my back love handle area, so this is great because you get the front flat bit of your stomach out and it covers your back. So if you are someone like me who is self-conscious about their back, then this is a great option for you. The only thing I'll say about this is I didn't even get to wear it and the little bow fell off before. So I took it out the suitcase and the little bow that's meant to go here, I think, had already fallen off. I don't particularly care, to be honest, but if that's a detail that you really liked, just be cautious, maybe double sew it before you wear it in case it comes off in the sea or something. But yeah, I wore this to run around in a waterfall and I felt amazing. There was an audience of people who were there to look at the waterfall and take pictures, and I was literally in the waterfall getting pictures taken, and I felt really good. I didn't feel self-conscious at all about people seeing me in a swimsuit or a bikini, which is a good thing, which is quite rare for me. So I felt really great in this. Definitely recommend this. I don't know if I said it's from Monkey, and I got it off of ASOS. Okay, the last bikini I felt amazing in, but I didn't get any pictures of me on holiday. I really wish I'd worn this in the waterfall, but I didn't think ahead. It is this incredible leopard print bikini. Now, this is the bigger bust one, so it's quite a bit more support. If you are a smaller bust, it's shaped a little bit more like the Another Stories ones, whereas this one has got a clip. This bikini makes me feel so sexy. I feel incredible in this bikini. I love me some leopard print. It is a new obsession. I was never into leopard print until about 3 months ago, where I bought a leopard print top and I was like, I feel sassy, I feel great. Now I need to cover my entire body with it. Amazing support. Oh my god, so comfortable. Emails. I honestly cannot recommend this enough. It's a really lovely leopard print. It's not too much. It isn't orangey or anything. It's a lovely cool toned leopard print. And the bottoms are my faves. It's a high rise, high leg cut bikini bottom. Again, makes your bum look amazing, sucks you in on your stomach. It's super sexy, super sassy, gives you a little bit of bum, and oh my god, I just felt incredible. I feel amazing in this bikini, and I can't wait to go and properly shoot this guy for you guys so you can see it on my Instagram. I've got a couple more trips planned, so don't worry, there's so many more bikinis to come. Fear not. So yes, those are the 4 bikinis I took on the trip with me. I will link all of them down below. And now I'm just going to show you a few items that I wore and felt good in. If you're wondering about this top, it's from Pull & Bear. I got it off of ASOS. It's still in stock. I will link it down below for you. It's so comfortable and adorable and I love it. It's actually part of a co-ord, so the skirt might still be available as well. So I'll link both down below for you guys if you're interested in this. Right, let me just get this the right way around. I got ready a little bit early for one of the dinners and I brought quite a fancy dress with me that I love so much, but it was a little bit too fancy for where we were going for dinner, so I didn't get a chance to wear it out. But I did manage to get Kay, our lovely photographer, to take some pictures of me in it. It is this beautiful dress from ASOS, and this is really inexpensive. I think it was about £28 or something. For such a beautiful statement kind of evening-y dress, I think £28 is a completely reasonable price. It's gorgeous kind of slinky silky fabric in this amazing like rusty terracotta, rusty rose kind of colour. So you tie it around your neck like a choker, and then there's a deep V which then goes to an elasticated waist. The back is completely open, and then it is a maxi dress. I'll show you better in the pictures, and it's got really big slits up the sides on both sides, and I felt like a Grecian beach island goddess, and you guys went crazy, absolutely crazy for it on my Instagram. Again, if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you do, because you always get the first peeks of what I'm wearing, what I'm buying, and I love Instagram. So Yes, you guys went insane over this dress, and it's just an ASOS number and it was not expensive. It was less than £30 and I felt really, really great in this. I think it's so sexy, perfect for like a date night on the beach or something like that. But I also think you can make this a little bit more casual by just wearing it with sandals and a little wrap bag. I think so cute. Oh, my ears are ringing. Can't recommend this enough. Okay, I also got loads of questions about these trousers. And honestly, this is a sad story that I'm going to tell you and it breaks my heart. I picked up these beautiful flowy trousers. They're like a soft kind of peachy apricot shade with lovely big flowers on. And they have got massive slits. So when you walk, your entire leg comes out and it kind of looks like a maxi skirt. I made the stupid decision to wear this cycling, and it got caught in the wheel. I actually have got a hole in these trousers. So here's the hole. And it's covered and stained with oil. Don't be a fool and go cycling in these. It was so stupid. I honestly don't know why I did it. I just didn't think about it. But anyway, hopefully I'll be able to get it out. The hole's not obvious when you walk, but they're beautiful, high-waisted, unbelievably comfortable. Really cool to wear if you are someone who's a little bit self-conscious about their legs and you don't want to wear like proper trousers. This is lovely. It flashes a little bit of your tan, a little bit of your leg, but you don't feel overly exposed and it keeps you very, very cool. So I love this. I wore it just with a really basic little vest top and let the trousers do all the talking, and talking they did. I love these. Sorry, I just pulled these out of my suitcase, so try not to judge me too badly for the state of some of these. This next item we ended up wearing out. We went out for one of the nights and I just wanted to wear something that was a little bit slinky. I felt a little bit sexy in, but was very cool and very comfortable because I hate getting hot in clubs. I'm a very hot and sweaty individual, and clubbing is one of my favourite things to do, but also one of my least favourite things because I just get overwhelmed by how hot I am. So I like to wear minimal clothing in the club, as many people do, but for different reasons. I got this little play suit, again just off of ASOS, and I love this. It is white with kind of floral geometric navy patterns on it. It's so beautiful. It's got a super deep V in the front and the back, but the back does tie, so it keeps the arms up rather than falling down off your shoulders. And they just go into some really cute little floaty shorts, lovely kind of fluted sleeves. It's so soft, so light, and I felt amazing, and it was perfect for dancing and chatting and doing the things that you do in bars and clubs, you know. This is also great for like a beach cover up during the day if you just want to throw it on over your bikini, so multi-purpose, love. Okay, the final night I wanted to dress up a little bit, but I still wanted to be cool and comfortable, as I always do, and I wore this beautiful Bardot dress, again just from ASOS. It had fluted sleeves, Bardot, same as this, and it is just a little shift dress. It was so comfy. It is just white with massive red roses. Obviously we were in Spain. I wanted to do something that looked a little bit, you know, flamenco almost, something flowers, ruffles, you know, and I felt amazing in this. I wore it with my Public Desire red strappy heels, and I got some beautiful photos in this dress. I was so pleased with how they turned out. If you are looking for a perfect summer night, summer day dress, then I can't recommend this more. I felt amazing in this dress and I got loads of compliments on it. I wish I could wear it every day in England. Sorry if everything moved. I just finished the video without talking about my favourite outfit of the whole trip. It was on the other side and I didn't look and I didn't see it. So I'm just hopping in here to talk about my favourite outfit. I wore this jumpsuit. It is absolutely stunning. It's this gorgeous like peachy orangey yellow. It's such a unique colour and it is so flattering on my skin tone, and it is a cutout jumpsuit, so same as the swimsuit, my most flattering part of my stomach was out, so there's a little pop of flesh with a little bow, and it is just a culotte jumpsuit. It's an elasticated back. This was outrageously comfortable. I wore this on the first night and we just went for drinks and dinner and I felt amazing in this. It was so flattering and it made me look so tanned, and it's just got these gorgeous little embroidered flowers all over it. It was really feminine, but it was a trouser, so I felt really covered and comfortable, and I wore it with my Urban Outfitters basket bag and my flats. I would wear that any day. I think that's probably one of my favourite outfits I've worn in the longest time. This colour looks amazing. Oh my god. Such a look, such a look. And finally, the sunnies that I wore basically all week are bent and broken now, unfortunately, but these are from South Beach and I love them because they are Ray-Ban round metal dupes. I really want the round metals and I've wanted them for ages, but I can't justify it. Can't justify it just yet. They're just super simple gold frames, black lenses. Love the shape. I think they're very flattering on my face shape, and I loved them and I wore them literally every day, and everyone thought that they were Ray-Ban until I told them they weren't. So ladies and gents, that is my bikini and summer wear haul and kind of what I wore in Benidorm. I really hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in any of the items I showed, they are all linked down below in the description box, so you can just go straight from there. I really hope you enjoyed this video. These are some of my absolute favourite videos to film. Summer clothes are some of my favourites. Love it. Have the best day and I will see you in my next video.